Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some air-fried potato bites. Alright, as you can see here, I've got 1 pound of red potatoes that I've kind of quartered up into 1-inch pieces. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then we want a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then about a half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or to taste. Also, you should be preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. And then you want to add in 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And that's pretty much it for the prep. And then you just want to swirl the potatoes around, give them a couple of tosses, make sure they're all nice and coated. All right, let's get these things in the air fryer. And then you just want to place these in the air fryer. You want to cook them for 8 minutes. Pull the basket out, give them a shake, give them a little toss, and then pop them back in for 4 minutes more. All right, so see everyone after about 12 minutes. And there you have it. So air-fried potato bites. Done. And by the way, these are a perfect little snack, not just for Christmas time, but for any time. They were absolutely delicious. So, once again, air-fried potato bites. Done.